What are the different payment plans and can I switch plans? The real world offers a variety of different payment plans, each with its own set of perks. The options include monthly or yearly subscriptions in tiers like Cadet, Hero, and Champion. Choose the plan that works best for your goals. Upgrading is always an option as you grow. Cadet. These memberships are for 30 days. Payment available for most students only via card. This can be set to automatically renew in your membership settings. Hero's Year. This is a commitment to yourself for 1 year, and if you are already a cadet, this requires no extra payment. Only the commitment to yourself that you will be here every day for a year. To upgrade to the Hero's Year, navigate to the main campus by selecting the globe icon on the left-hand side. From here, click on Courses. In the Learning Center, select Hero's Year, read the message, then click Next. Answer the questionnaire. Once completed, you will now be a part of the Hero's Year. That's it. You now have exclusive access to the lessons from Luke, and you will have unlocked new chats in the main campus. Champion Program. The Champion Program is a 2-year commitment to yourself. To upgrade, click the link below. Then you'll be taken to a checkout screen. Use the same email address and details linked to your existing account. Then you can select your preferred payment method, cryptocurrency, or direct bank wire. Complete these steps to finalize your upgrade to Champion.